Transporting children is a big responsibility. Whether it's to field trips or daily pickup and drop off, ensuring their safety on the road is as important as keeping them safe inside your center. As the childcare administrator, your role goes beyond ensuring that the staff have the right licenses. It involves creating procedures, maintaining vehicles, and preparing for the unexpected. Let's start with the basics. Vehicle maintenance. A well-maintained vehicle reduces the likelihood of breakdowns and accidents. At your center, regular inspections should be standard procedure. That includes checking the tire pressure and tread wear, ensuring that brakes and lights are working properly, keeping emergency supplies such as first aid kits, water, and flashlights fully stocked. Keep a maintenance log to document every inspection and repair. Not only does this track the condition of your vehicles, but it's also essential for compliance with licensing regulations and in the case that there is an accident or an injury. But even with regular maintenance, breakdowns and accidents will happen. The key is to be prepared. If the vehicle breaks down or is involved in a minor accident, the safety of the children comes first. Okay, we need to make sure that your staff follow these steps to ensure everyone's safety. Your staff are going to have to pull over to a safe location. If possible, moving the vehicle to the side of the road, or even better, another safe area. They've got to turn on the hazards and make the vehicle as visible as possible to others on the road. Then they have to assess the situation, check to see if anyone's injured. If there are injuries, they've got to call 911 immediately. They may need to do it regardless because of the level of damage to the vehicles. Then they've got to notify you. They've got to notify the center. Contact the center and inform them of the situation and request assistance and perhaps arrange alternate transportation for those kiddos. Their biggest job is to ensure that the children remain calm, keeping the children seated and reassured, or evacuating them from the vehicle and putting them in a secure location. If the vehicle is in a dangerous location, that part is going to be key. It's also very important for the teacher to have the emergency contact information for each child and a clear communication plan with the parents in case of delays or accidents. Before allowing any of your staff to transport children, make sure they know your state's legal requirements. These may include licensing and background checks for everyone in the car, all the adults anyway, proper installation and use of car seats, and maybe speed limit or maximum vehicle capacity limits. Resources like the National Safety Council's Guide to Child Passenger Safety can help you stay up to date on best practices. Ensure that your staff receives regular training on safe driving techniques, emergency procedures, and child supervision during transport. It's a little different than in the classroom. Transporting children safely requires preparation, communication, and ongoing training. By creating clear procedures and maintaining your vehicles, you can ensure that every trip is a safe one. Next, we'll move on to an activity where you'll develop a step-by-step action plan for handling vehicle breakdown during a field trip. Another risk we want to highlight is vehicles arriving and leaving your center at pickup and drop-off. Ensure that your parking area is well lit and marked so as to minimize the risks. Also, have clear routines that you go over with the parents to make pickup and drop off as safe as possible.